What's going on? This is Farm Amazing Adventures. I'm actually here at Smith Mountain Lake State Park. This is like one portion of the state park where there's some, say, beaches. It's not really a beach, but kind of like a, it's got sand. It's got like, it's kind of like going to the beach. But anyways, I'm gonna check it out. And also, there's something over there I'm gonna check out too. It looks like some type of old house. So I'm gonna go and check it out. So anyways, if you like to travel, like to explore, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Thank you for watching, and let me get to it. I guess I'll check the house out first over here. So, and then the beach is over there somewhere. It's down there somewhere. All right. It's a beautiful day. Look, and there's a lot of clouds in the sky, and there's been some sprinkle of rain here and there, but it's not much rain, just here and there. So the weather's pleasant. So I think I passed a peak season here at Smith Mountain Lake. I think June and July are peak seasons, or times where it gets very crowded down here. So it's August, and it's not that crowded. And also during the week too. Most people aren't working or go out their business right now. Usually on the weekends it gets very busy. So here comes the rain. Oh, like I said, it's just a sprinkle. It's not much. Nothing to be concerned about. So hopefully it's not too much. All right, right here looks like some type of man-made fence here, made of stone. So I guess sprinkled a lot more than I expected. So we're getting the tree line here. I don't know what this is. Maybe it was a house here one time. And there's a trail that goes down there. It's getting a little heavy here, so get a tree line here. This wall goes a good distance. I'm gonna check it out. There's a lake there. Like I said before in the other video, Smith Mountain Lake is an artificial lakes, man-made lake. And a long time ago, there used to be a lot of farmland here. Lots of farmland. A lot of areas where they just planting stuff. And but there was no town here. There's no. A lot of people will say there was a town here at one time, and cities were submerged beneath the water. There's a lot of misinformation that's been going around for years. Now, there were some houses here and there, and I think this may have been part of a farmland at one time. You can see the stone wall here. I still don't know what it is, but I want to see how far it goes, and if not, go the other direction. The rain has died down a lot more. Wow, look at this. See, there's no entrance there. Yeah, I think this area was here, this particular spot. May have been a farmhouse here at one time. I don't know. The rain has picked up again. Go in the woods here one more time. The wall is broken up here. Rain slowing down again. I guess there is some rain today. That's the wall. There's the waters over the hill here. Looks to me that the wall goes into the water. So yeah, I believe this was some type of, maybe a pasture full of animals at one time. Look at that. Again, there is no town, no city underneath Smith Mountain Lake. That's just a misinformation. Now, there was a lot of farmland here. There's a difference. And like I said in one video, that there has to be a certain amount of houses, buildings, or accommodations to constitute a hamlet or a village. And hamlet is a village. I mean, is a small community, but smaller than a village. And Smith Mountain Lake really didn't have that amount of, say, houses or accommodations. So it was just tons of land, open land, filled with tobacco and crop and other sources of agriculture. Let me get down here very quick. And the wall ends near the water here. So I'm gonna turn around. I think there's a house or remains of a house back there. Excuse me, almost tripped. Excuse me. Yeah. There's Smith Mountain Lake. The wall ends down there. I think it went into the water one time, and they tore it down at the end there. But I think this area on the other side may have, I don't know, has some sheep or something, cows, I don't know. I'm just guessing. Some type of livestock. So let me go back and check that house out. Very interesting though. That's a good view there too, look. Look at that. All right, very quickly. Said I was gonna turn around, but came down to the water's edge and I found this. I don't know what it is. Maybe some type of, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I think it had something to do with that. I guess whoever owned this area Maybe it was some type of feeding trough for the animals. I mean, it's been here for a while, and it's surprisingly good shape, you know, good condition. And there's some rot to it, but it's lasted a long time. And you can see the water line came up to its edge here. And for now, we're experiencing a slight drought. And a lot of the waters are like 5 feet or more below spillway. So the waters of Smith Mountain Lake are actually low for now. So, and it looks like it has exposed some surprises here. So let me know in the comments below what you think this is. I think it may have been maybe a or maybe old feeding trough, maybe some type of garden at one time. I don't know, I'm just guessing. So anyways, no telling what you can find around here. Right now the water's very low right now, so it's a good view there. Check that out. All right, I'm heading down. I'm actually heading back to where I started out from, you know, and the wall continues here. Now, I just talked to some of the staff here back there. They just pulled up in a golf cart, and I asked them a question about this wall, and they couldn't really tell me about it. Of course, they were young, and I guess they don't know much. I don't know, but I think this used to be some type of wall that used to belong to a farmhouse, and there's a structure down here that looks to me like a remains of a house. So we're headed there right now and check it out. So much rocks around here, a lot of boulders, a lot of dips, a lot of, yeah, that's what I think. There used to be a farmhouse here one time with farming animals, because also there was a lot of potholes in the woods. And usually if you go to farms, you visit farms, and you know, see a lot of animals, there will be potholes because, you know, animals like cows and sheep, sometimes they'll stamp their foot in the ground, and over time and just leave potholes behind. So that's what I think. So I'm gonna go down here and check this place out very quick. They also told me sometimes you hit the trails, you'll find remains of old houses and cemeteries. And like I said before, this place was a farmland, vast farmland. You know, it was there were people living here. And it wasn't a town, it wasn't a village or cities like they have over embellished it over the years. But there were people living here, and there were animals raised here, and they got crop and tobacco and all sorts of vegetation that were grown here for the means of production of agriculture. So yeah, and I bet you took a metal detector and brought it here, you'd be surprised what you find. I think I'm getting close to it. And the wall ends here. Oh, this particular wall, then there's a gap here, and there's another wall that begins over there. So and to me, this looks like a post, not a tree, but a post. Maybe there was a gate here at one time. I don't know. And the entrance here is very wide. Maybe there was some type of herd of cattle here they kept in this area. I don't know. I'm just guessing. And there's a stone structure. And there's a tablet here. I'm gonna check it out, see what it says. square too. And I see what it says. The Moody Meeting House on April 11th, 1790, a congregation of 32 organized here as the Baptist Church of Christ on Stanton at the mouth of the Black Water. William Johnson, John Anthony, and Thomas Douglas were the ministers present, and Johnson was chosen pastor. Construction of logs, the meeting house measured approximately 30 by 18 feet and rested on a stone foundation. The church developed from the Baptist congregation in Franklin County dating to 1787. In 1843, Daniel Sanders deeded 1 acre and 30 poles to the Baptist Society meeting at the Moody Meeting House. It was relocated in 1877 to Pleasant Grove School, and 1884 to the present site of Stanton Baptist Church. The Strawberry Baptist Association met here on October 2nd, 1802, and dedicated this commentary marker on May 20th, 1984. Where there you have it. This is the remains of a old church, I guess. All right, let me check the beach out. So that was very interesting. So let me go back. I'm going to cut this video short. If you'd like to travel, like to explore, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. There is a part 2 of this video, so I'll post it up very soon. It's about the beach and maybe several other spots I can check out. So anyways, thank you for watching, and see another video.